Want to send money to your loved ones in Kenya quickly and securely? Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to use Worldremit to send money to Kenya, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. First, head over to Worldremit's website or open the Worldremit app on your phone. If you're new to Worldremit, click on Sign Up and create your account. You will need to provide your email address, create a secure password, and verify your identity for returning users. Simply log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, select Kenya as your destination country. Worldremit offers multiple payout options for Kenya, including mobile money transfers to M-Pesa or Airtel Money, bank transfers, and even cash pickup at various locations. Choose the option that best suits your recipient's needs. Next, enter the amount you wish to send. Worldremit will automatically calculate the equivalent in Kenyan shillings and display the exchange rate. Keep an eye on this, as it fluctuates. Now, carefully fill in your recipient's details. Ensure you have their full name, mobile number for mobile money transfers, or bank details for bank transfers. Double-check all the information to avoid any delays. Select your preferred payment method. Worldremit typically accepts debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Choose the one that's most convenient for you and follow the instructions to complete the payment. Before finalizing, review all the details on the confirmation page. Make sure everything is accurate, including the amount, recipient information, and transfer fees. Finally, confirm your transfer. You'll receive a confirmation message with a transaction reference number, which you can share with your recipient to track the transfer. And that's it. You've successfully sent money to Kenya using Worldremit. Remember to keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your transfer.